federal appeals court is hearing arguments over the future of Mifepristone. It comes after a judge in Texas sided with challengers who wanted to block access to the drug last month. NBC News Washington correspondent Yamiche Alcindor joins us now. So, Yamiche, can you remind us how we got to this point of oral arguments, and where does access to the pill stand right now?
Well, Ziegler, at this hour, these three conservative judges, each with a history of supporting restrictions on abortion, are hearing oral arguments on whether this widely used abortion pill, Mifepristone, should remain available. The arguments have been tense this afternoon, and it seems that these judges, all appointed by Republican presidents, will likely side with anti-abortion activists who brought this case. One judge, James Ho, has referred in the past to abortion as a, quote, moral tragedy. As viewers may remember, an anti-abortion group and advocates and doctors sued to get this pill off the market. They are arguing that it is unsafe and that the FDA should never have approved it when it did some 2 decades ago. The Justice Department, though, is arguing that taking this abortion medication off the market would cause great harm to women, and that the FDA's approval of the pill and more recent actions, like allowing it to be mailed, should remain in place. An attorney for the DOJ started off this afternoon by saying, quote, a lower district court's order to pull this drug off the market was unjustified and unprecedented and an attack on scientific expertise of that order. Of course, we should remind folks that that order is not in place right now. Meanwhile, there isn't a clear deadline on when the appeals court will rule, so these judges could rule whenever they want to. In the short term, though, which is important, access to the pill remains in place no matter what the appeals court decides, because the Supreme Court issued a stay keeping access to this pill in place until it rules. So no matter how this appeal court rules today or this afternoon or whenever they get around to ruling, one of these sides will then be appealing it to the Supreme Court to make the ultimate decision here. At that time, the Supreme Court will decide whether to hear the case at that time. And we should also remind people the only way that this pill will be in jeopardy is if the DOJ loses in the Fifth Circuit and then the Supreme Court chooses not to hear their appeal, or the Supreme Court eventually rules in favor of these anti-abortion activists. So a lot of legal arguments going on this afternoon, and the arguments are still going right now. So they've gone past an hour and a half. Ziegler?
All eyes on this one. Yamiche Alcindor, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.